This is exactly what I saw the day that I showed up to look at FRILL. FRILL was the fifth and final boat we looked at before we made a purchase. Hope you enjoy this. Centerboard's missing. Yeah. I'm concerned that it don't sail, like it don't sail very good because of that. It would go off course.
No, actually it doesn't sail too bad.
No?
It won't point like a modern fin keel.
No.
No matter what.
Yeah.
I suspect even with the centerboard it wouldn't, but no, it does sail. Big difference. What about new mainsail put on it?
A what?
About new mainsail.
Okay, yeah.
Big difference.
Oh, was it?
But I never got around to replacing the jib, so.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure that would make a big difference as well.
Yeah. Yeah, so you start the engine once in a while, do you? Right?
Oh yeah, well, I started it this spring.
Yeah.
And I started it once last year.
Westerbeek, right?
Westerbeek diesel. And
three cylinder?
Three cylinder.
Yeah.
Runs like a top. And that with that propeller on there, it just seems to be well matched because the red line on the Westerbeek diesel is 3,500 RPM.
Yeah.
It just about makes it.
Oh, you say there's some that was this put on the keel? You say
yes,
this part?
That was not normally that's not on the keel. And when they took the centerboard out, they filled all that in, and they put this I don't know what you call it. I just call it a beaver tail, but
yeah.
And
they must have thought. Well, they must have knew something about it, I guess.
It was used for ocean passengers a lot.
Was it?
Oh, years ago. It originally came to Florida.
Oh. Let's go aboard and see. What you have on here?
I never read anything on there that predates me.
Okay. Well, was it? I wonder.
Windlass side stack.
Oh, big windlass, yeah. Okay. So the deck is no soft spots in the deck.
No, other than where you first get on, I think it might be just crushed.
Feels alright.
No, it's pretty good.
67, right? You said.
67, yeah.
So.
There is a plate on it somewhere, you know. The first fellow when I bought it, the fellow did the survey for me.
Yeah.
Showed me where the plate is. Metal plate with the,
okay.
The hull number and
yeah.
All that stuff on it.
Jeez, these are old, eh?
Oh, they're old, yeah.
But they work, I guess.
Oh, yeah, they work. Well, no, we bought this. This is our cabin on the lake.
Oh.
That's what we bought it for.
Oh, before you bought this.
Before we got this, exactly. And we kept it in Medora for quite a while. And we kept it in.
Nice marina there, and you just
But actually, the next spot.
So you just come for the week and go out for a couple nights or whatever?
Oh, yeah.
You had a dinghy on there?
Oh, yes. Yep.
And so I like this. So the boom should be over my head, no problem. Okay, so you got, does this all work? It's all, the covers on these are all old and don't work, or just...
They work.
So it's just a Dodger, no, it doesn't come back any further, does it?
Just...
The Cyrus 21 I had, I went to Ontario. I was living in Newfoundland at the time, so I went to Ontario and picked it up and brought it home. And I did everything. I redid all the wood. I redid the seals and the windows. I mean, it's not a very big boat, but still, I redid the whole damn thing pretty much. Currently we have 297 subscribers. Can't wait till we get past that 300 mark. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Now I'm going through all the compartments on this boat. I'm looking in every little cubby hole I can look in, looking for damage, looking for rot, any potential. I'm trying to visualize the repairs, if any, that I need to do. I'm looking at the chain plates, the gussets, the bulkheads, everything, the floor. I find a little bit of damage, a little bit of water leakage, but not too serious. It's pretty good shape. It's pretty good shape for the year, but 1967. There's a little bit of damage right here. This is right. It looks a lot worse than what it actually is. So overall, pretty good find, I think. So the guy that you bought it off,
Yep.
you had it for 17 years.
Yes.
And the fellow you bought it off had it for...
I don't know. He was Rick Winter, that's his name was. Just outside Vatican.
Okay, and...
He's dead now, I know.
oh, okay. He... you see him come up from Florida, you know, did he bring it up from Florida?
No. He bought it off the fellow that brought it up before.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's steel fiberglassed over.
That's probably what it is. Like I say,
Rounded off and everything else, it feels like.
I've never seen it, so.
A blue box with...
Yeah, that blue box, that's where the transducer for the depth sounder is.
Okay.
Not in a through hull. It's that box is to the hull, and that's filled with mineral oil.
Oh.
There's a hole through the hull where the knot meter, or the transducer for the knot meter went. That's what you're seeing right there.
Is that underneath this or what?
No. This is the grounding plate.
Okay.
That's copper.
Okay. So the sail you got is fairly new.
Oh yeah. Well, it's in the car there if you want to look at it.
And it's an...
That sail was in excellent condition.
and so what do you got? You got just a one main sail?
One main sail. Well, yes, one main sail, because the old main sail, I donated it to a charity down there.
Yeah.
Jib will come out first. Put the end of the jib is here. And a little repair at the very head of the jib
Yeah.
that I would fix before I would use it again.
Sorry. So that's the two main ones you ever
Yeah,
used.
this one here is.
And like, do you have what's the big ones? The
vinegar,
Genoa.
no.
Do you have a Genoa or anything or?
Well, this is a Genoa.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the new main.
Okay, yeah.
As you can see, this is.
Well, they're made here in Nova Scotia. Thanks for watching that video of FRILL, my first look. Now it starts getting exciting. Next video, we're gonna start to move FRILL. So make sure you come back and watch that one.